Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to add GroovyBot to your Discord server. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So GroovyBot is basically like a music player, and it's one of the more popular ones for Discord. So in order to do this, what you need to do is actually open up a new internet browser, and you want to come across to the website, which is groovy.bot. And then what you want to do from here is accept the cookies and click this purple add to Discord button. And what's going to happen, it's going to come up with permissions. So you just need to go ahead and select the server you want to add this to, and then click continue and authorize. And then just click the human verification. And you can see I've had a notification just pop up on my Discord to say that's now been added. So to actually get this to work, what you need to do is open up your Discord server. You can do this on the web-based application, or if you have the app downloaded, you can do it that way. So I've got the app downloaded, and you can see that's now come up with a message saying thanks for adding me to your server. And to play a song, it's very easy. All you need to do is make sure you've got a voice channel, first of all. If you don't have a voice channel, then you just click the plus button next to here, where it says create channel, and select voice channel, and then just call it something like, I don't know, music, and click create channel. And then what I'm going to do is click onto that. And to actually get music to play, all you need to do is literally type slash and then play. And then you would put the name of the song. So you don't have to put the full title. You could put something like, for example, Peaches. Hit enter. And to stop listening, you just need to disconnect from the channel. So you can see it's just going to find, basically try and link whatever search term you put into the most popular song that's generally searched. If I go back into the channel, you'll see it's just going to play from where we left off. So, okay, and to add more songs, all you need to do is, again, just slash and then a play, and then just something else. You have to be connected to the voice channel before. And it's actually going to, when you put songs into play, it's going to stack them, it's going to queue them up. So obviously this one will play, and when that's finished, this one will play. If you want to check the queue list, all you do is a slash and then queue. And it's going to tell you the current track that's playing, how long's left, and what's due to play next. And this is the end of the queue. So you can actually queue tracks up to play as well. But yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.